Unlock powerful artificial intelligence on your laptop, totally free, with Higgsfield AI. Let's dive straight into getting Higgsfield AI running on your laptop without spending a dime. No downloads, no complex installations, just pure, accessible AI power. First, compatibility. Whether you're rocking Windows, macOS, or even Linux, Higgsfield AI works right through your web browser. Open up your preferred browser: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. Any modern browser will do the trick. In the address bar, simply type Higgsfield AI and hit enter. You'll be taken directly to their official website. Look for the main access point, which will usually prompt you to start exploring their AI capabilities. Once on the platform, you'll find a suite of accessible AI features. Many offer free tiers or trials that are incredibly generous. For instance, explore the text generation tools to help you draft emails, write stories, or brainstorm ideas. You might also find features for basic image creation or text summarization. To optimize your experience on your laptop, pay attention to any customization options. These might include adjusting the length of generated text, setting creativity levels, or choosing specific AI models. Experiment with these settings to get the best results for your tasks. For smoother performance, especially if your laptop isn't the newest, it's a good idea to close any unnecessary background applications. This frees up your laptop's resources, allowing Higgsfield AI to run more efficiently. And there you have it, Higgsfield AI, ready to boost your productivity and creativity, all from your laptop and absolutely free. Happy AI exploring!